guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. Guys, summers are here and I'm sure you can feel the heat. Today I will show you how to create this colorful makeup look. It's very simple as you will see. So let's start. As always, I am starting with skincare. Today I am applying the Cora Organics No Nick Glow Face Oil that I am using these days. Usually I use it at night, but I also love to apply a few drops under the makeup. I love how the Noni Glow oil absorbs into my skin and provides a glowing radiance instantly. This oil contains some amazing natural ingredients. If you want, I will give a detailed review of this oil. For hydrating my eyes, I am applying this eye cream from Thelgo. I have been using this eye cream throughout the summer because it's really lightweight and moisturizing. Before applying the foundation, I don't forget to prime my skin. And when you have such a wonderful radiance elixir, you can't stop yourself from using it again and again. I love the luminosity my skin achieves after using it. I'll apply the fresh nude foundation from the Body Shop. This is my second bottle. I am obsessed with this foundation. I love how the shade Fiji Sand 026 is almost an exact match to my skin tone. After blending it properly, I'll apply a concealer all around my eyes, and I'm using my favorite Maybelline Fit Me concealer in shade Light. The concealer will cover the uneven skin around my eyes. And now I'm blending it with the blender. Now I'm going to be defining my eyebrows with the Mars Micro Precision Brow Pencil. I'll fill the gaps with the pencil and then brush them upward with the spoolie on the other end of the pencil. It's time to start adding some dimension, so I'm going to start contour. This cream tinted contour and bronzer from Huda Beauty works great to give some warmth to your face. Using it in areas where I want my face to look defined, so on my cheekbones, forehead, and to structure my nose. I love cream or liquid contour products because the nice thing about cream contour is that it's very forgiving even if you don't blend it perfectly. Time to add some color to the cheeks, and I am going to use this lip and cheek tint from Daughter Earth. It'll give a natural flush to the entire face. For eye makeup, I am going to use a lip liner as a liner base. I am experimenting with this method, don't know how it will work. Let's see. This is a pink lip liner from Auric Beauty with a creamy texture. I'll apply a pink graphic liner, so using this as a base underneath. First on the lash lines and then both corners of the crease. Next, I am going to be using this palette from Revolution and picking this bright pink color. I am going to layer this color on the lines I have created. Yeah, it's working good. Not so intense as I expected, but I am satisfied. Using the same color on the corners of my eyes and then this sea green color on the half part of the lower lash line. Now I am taking this pearly white shade onto the finger and applying it all over the lids. Back to the face, going to be highlighting with Pixie Glow Powder. I'm using just a light touch of this powder because it's super pigmented. I'm adding a pair of natural looking false lashes. Time to add some color to my lips, but before that I'm lining them with the same lip liner from Auric Beauty. Now I'll apply this lovely pink lipstick from the same brand. I don't want bold lips, so I'm just touching the lipstick and blend it with my finger just like a tint. Okay, I'm done. I wanted to create a makeup look that was simple, light and perfect for a summer day, and I'm satisfied with how it turned out. What do you think? I hope you liked this makeup tutorial. I love how colorful and fun this makeup look is. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you with another video. Till then, bye and take care.